If you want to remove something from a photo on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus, what we can do is we can go to the gallery, and of course then we can open the photo that we wish to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And we're gonna tap on this pen icon that we have in the upper right corner. Next we're gonna tap on these 4 circles. And in here we should be able to find the object eraser. After a couple of seconds we should be able to tap on the subject that we want to remove, or we can draw around the subject in order to erase it. So let's say in my case I'm gonna draw around this car toy. Let's see if it's gonna be selected properly. There we go. And then we can tap on erase. Wait a couple of seconds and then the car toy should be gone, as you can see over here. And there are some leftovers in here, so I'm gonna select them and try to get rid of them as well. We will see if we can somehow fix this. So of course we can keep going in case we are not satisfied with these results. There we go. And finally it is done, so let's just tap on done in the upper right corner, and I think it looks pretty decent. Of course we can save the photo, or we can save as copy if we want to keep the original one. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.